Everyone launching on the Owyhee-Bruneau-Jarbidge river systems must fill out a registration form at the launch site. The top copy goes in the registration box. The bottom copy is carried by the trip leader on the river. Make sure you fill out the entire permit and that you have the correct date, trip leader signature, and your zip code. Make sure your boat and equipment are in good condition. Carry proper safety equipment such as a first aid kit, throw rope, and boat repair kit. The rivers are remote. Be prepared to handle all problems and emergencies on your own. Once you enter these canyons, you'll be a long way from help, so be prepared for the unexpected.
You can minimize your impacts and preserve the wild nature of the rivers by using established campsites. Take the time to secure the boat and loose gear before setting up camp. If possible, camp on gravel or sand bars to avoid trampling vegetation. BLM River Rangers patrol all sections of the Owyhee-Jarbidge and Bruneau river systems. River Rangers commonly make campsite visits. You'll need to show them a copy of your river permit. They will also request to see your required portable toilet and fire pan. All campfires must be contained in a metal fire pan. Proper use of a fire pan includes keeping the pan off the ground. This can be as simple as placing 3 rocks underneath your fire pan. Improper use of a fire pan can leave an unsightly scar. Failure to use a fire pan can leave an even more unsightly scar and can potentially cause a wildfire. An adequately sized, approved portable toilet system must be used on all float trips. They must be designed to hold human waste without leaking. During your visit with the ranger, take the opportunity to ask questions about upcoming rapids, potential campsites, and weather conditions. River Rangers are a great resource and are there to ensure the quality of your river floating experience is uninhibited by the actions of others.
When collecting firewood, do not cut or destroy standing, live, or dead vegetation. You are required to carry your own firewood when floating downstream from the Rome launch site on the Owyhee River. Use dead and down wood only. Cutting firewood can destroy wildlife habitat and leave unsightly scars for the next camper. In and around the kitchen, avoid dropping or spilling any food. This will draw unwanted insects and wildlife into your camp. Consider putting a kitchen tarp down to collect food and other bits that may fall while cooking and eating. Urine deposited on land, especially around well-used campsites, can create unpleasant odors and attract insects. Urinate directly into the river. Use a biodegradable soap for washing dishes. Strain all dish and rinse water before scattering it broadly 200 feet away from the river and camp. When packing up, make sure to swamp and stir your ashes. Pack them out with you. Scatter rocks and unused firewood before leaving camp. Thank you for using Leave No Trace Outdoor Ethics in Camp. Have a great trip, and we'll see you downstream.